POV, or point of view, you are the bride. It's your wedding day! And yes, this is quite the runway for any bride to be. But take your time. Take a deep breath. And there's no need to rush. As you can see, all the guests are waiting for you at the end. And so is your groom. When you slow down your heart rate and stay calm, it makes for a much better wedding day experience than trying to rush down the runway in order to get to the altar. There's no need for it. Everyone is looking at you, and you are looking at your groom. It's all going to be okay. On this particular runway, absolutely no one can see you just yet unless they've got binoculars or something, or zoomed in really, really far in their cameras. But you're going to make it there. Just take your time. Why would you want to rush this moment anyways? Most of us have waited a lifetime for this part to happen. Just soak it all in, just like this gorgeous sun that we have on this beautiful day. Because this is a beach wedding, you can take off your shoes right here if you'd like, especially if there's a way to put them to the side, somebody that's there to help you. And now you can see all of the wedding guest chairs right in front of you. This is where you want to walk even slower. Take your time and breathe. Remember to smile. You can look at your guest, or you can just stay looking forward. If you have your brother or your father with you, you can look over to them and get them a smile as well. But just remember, there's no need for you to rush or feel overwhelmed or even anxious. This is all about feeling amazing and happy and joyful. Sometimes brides can get to this point of the wedding ceremony where it's time to walk down the aisle, and they can feel like, thinking about all the things that have gone wrong or things that could have gone better. And instead, I want you to just think about this day. Take it all in, look around, breathe, and just try to think positive rather than thinking about all the things that weren't so great. I hope you had a little sip of water before you took this step, and I hope that you had a wonderful breakfast or some sort of brunch, depending on what time of day your wedding is. Nourishment is key to keeping us energized. Someone should have also been there with you at this point, either a day of coordinator, your father, or your brother. This is where one of them is going to fluff up your dress because it may have come a little bit undone while you were walking. They will just lift it up from the floor of the dress, fluff it just like they would a bed, skirt, or blanket on your bed. Coming up here at the end of the aisle is where you want to do a second pause, so right about here. And you will have whoever is with you to fluff your dress one more time before you start to walk down the aisle. Remember, you're going even slower at this point now that you're here with all of the guests and your fabulous groom. Remember, you can look around. You don't have to keep looking forward. Look at that beautiful beach in front of you. It's so pretty. And the breeze and the birds. Oh my goodness, the sand. Some people don't look around, but feel free to do so.